Hey guys, Ryan here. We're out giving a free estimate and evaluation for a local realtor, and I just want to show you a couple things that we look at when we're doing an evaluation of a crawl space. So if you already have existing drainage and sump pumps, so we check everything out, we make sure they're working right. And one thing you can see here is this sump pump does not have a lid. There's no holes drilled in the sump pump basin, so the water's just sitting in here. Sitting water in a sump pump basin can become stagnant, and the sump pump is actually up too high, so it's not pulling all of this water out of here, and it doesn't have a check valve. So when the sump pump kicks on, all the water in the pipe just runs right back into the sump pump. So that was one thing I found. You see the insulation's hanging down. If you look in the crawl space and you see insulation hanging down, it could be two things. You could have a rodent problem, raccoons, cats, tearing the insulation down. But most of the time, it's high humidity problems. The moisture just absorbs into the insulation like a sponge. It gets too heavy and it falls down. So, and then on the joist, try and zoom in a little bit. So that's surface mold. That's another sign of high humidity. Vapor barrier, standard 6 mil. It's not covering the ground completely. Foundation walls are exposed. And you can see the white efflorescence. So that's another sign of moisture coming through the block. And then you have powered vent fans. Powered vent fans are the worst thing possible to put in a crawl space. You are just pulling in more humid air from the outside. So if you have a powered vent fan, turn it off, get rid of it. Do not use it. It actually makes the problem worse. So if you have any questions or you want us to come out and take a look at your crawl space, give us a call. 302-841-1489. You call, we crawl.